Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GTC. As in my previous video of GTC, I was showing you a very big breakout from a big falling wedge pattern, and this was my last video, by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after breaking out from this big falling wedge pattern, the price and could not continue its move to the upside and found another downtrend line resistance and formed another down channel. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for GTC that I shared a few days back on 8th of August 2023 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GTC that I shared a few days back on 8th of August 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern that GTC formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. And first, it rallied to the sell target zone here, and again, read the sell target zone here as well. And so far, it has rallied almost 23%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern. And I shared this idea on 19th of Feb 2023 with my members. And this was also formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started another very nice reversal from this buying zone. And this was, by the way, more than 14% pump. Within few moments, you will be able to watch this move. You can see it rallied to the sell target zone and rallied almost 14%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern. And this move was getting completed at that time. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed the leg here. And then we had a very nice pump, again moved down inside this potential reversal zone. Then we had a bigger pump that was, by the way, more than 60% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of GTC, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously we can see it was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern on this 7 days time frame. And after getting squeezed, too much squeeze inside this falling wedge pattern, finally we broke it out here, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $3.50 and found another downtrend line resistance of this down channel. And now here, by the way, in the month of May 2023, we had a long spike, but it could not break down this support of the channel. We also have a very long-term and key support here that is at 85 cents, and we have tested the support here and here as well. And now after gearing up, the price line is struggling to break out two resistance levels together. One is the exponential moving average 21 on this weekly time frame chart and the resistance of $1.30. Once the price line will be able to break out this down channel, then the target for this breakout from the channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $3.50. And the bigger target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and that move is, by the way, still due, that is here at the top of the wedge, that can be between $28 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.